How do many Americans pronounce these words? Let's discuss. In many dialects of American English, speakers will delete a T sound when it happens after N. Let's look at an example with the word center. Many Americans, myself included, do not pronounce this word center. We will say center, center. It's in the center of the table. Let's practice together. Center, center. Winter, winter. Internet, internet. International, international. Plenty, plenty. Enter, enter. Counter, counter. And 20, 20. But this is not a hard rule. So you can't always say, oh, if there's an N followed by a T, I delete the T. Can't say that. For example, if the T begins a stressed syllable, then we pronounce it. For example, the word until, we say that T. And the word entire, we say that T as well. And remember, if you pronounce all the T's, you're not wrong. But recognizing that some speakers do this may help your listening.